Okushaba oku Royal Father Robert Mwesige, chaplain wa Mashomero, ahabwa Kamwenje Catholic Dinari.
You have to work hard so that people don't go to class, they use money to study. Tuition is paid, but also money for coursework and the rest of it. I hope the OBs are not part of that group and the OGs that use the money throughout, and here you are. Because the effect will be felt when you get offices. When you learn into the office, then we shall get to know who was in the lecture room and who was not there.
Twaba twine abana ayishomero tubarebe nka priority. Tubateke mu kimwe nangwa development no twakugira. Then abana babe no biza bakakora development. Hakuba no kujikora mbajikora je kukirinda. Cyakabiri no kugira abeji kugira ngo wahereza umushomero. Turikabura rikikuba ribekere kugisereho.
Abeja bashomira hishemereri batongwiza geti yibombekere kandi baraganisa kugumizamo ndibakwatira hishemereri.
Igizoba twayeteranira aha gukora reunion ngabana bashomire St Thomas kwigura geti yitu yitwa atandikire kombe kandi tukatamamani gukora umugasho gw'amani go kwiza tuketerana aha no kugaruza ishomero ryitu tukarihereza kandi tukarugaruza. Icya kabiri no kugaruka ngutunywane kandi twatagane twerane tukora ubunywani na no mukago ningashe twita ikijegere cyo mukago
ashaba obutarekera aho not to give up habo kuba abana bato abari mu generation ezire a lot of technology ni bareba bintu binje hamasimu ahama TV so kirya haribo okuhurikiza obutumwa oburungi bakabwahura ahabubi bakamangwa kintu kiza kutuyamba mu misho hakuba nimanya kuba kutureba nkite ba alumnis and our professions ninge meje tukora batwego so kirya haribo okwenda kumanya obu akakora cyo kwangwa konka watakwenda kushika abandi bakire no biruga
Gasha kwa Anthony Twine.